The next level which every state department looks to do is the extension. So proper extension leads to knowledgeable farmers, so knowledgeable farmers can do better work. So what are the activities that are being taken care of?
That's indeed a very good point. In fact, unlike in other states, ours is the only state where up to the gram level, that's the village level, we came up with a facility, farmer facilitation center kind of thing, that's a Raitu Bharosa Kendra. At almost every village we have got a Raitu Bharosa Kendra, that's a farmer facilitation center. Specifically coming to the fisheries where the aquaculture is very predominant or dominant, there we have set up, positioned the village fisheries assistants for extending support to the aqua farmers. And then when they do this through this RBK, which is going to be a hub of all agri-allied related activities, taking the support of related functionaries that are already put in place, they are all regular government employees only. So we are able to channelize a lot of government schemes. Second, we are able to deliver a lot of quality certified inputs at the farm gate point within the stipulated time. That's another thing, and a lot of advisories also we are able to give it to the farmers at the village level itself. So when you talk about the input quality, then the feed we are able to supply through the RBK. Somebody right coming and then just posing that what is that demand through the kiosk that is positioned in the RBK. Then the concerned dealer whom the farmer has opted, okay, after passing the amount to the creditor of that particular dealer, his responsibility is to bring the feed up to the farm gate point. So quality certified at an affordable price, So that is one thing we are doing, and advisories also like Matsya Sagu buddies, online of Polam buddies, the farmer field schools kind of thing in agricultural parlance. So those kind of things are also being initiated, and we are also following up using some kind of web application exclusively developed for that purpose. And then schemes also, anybody applying at the village level using the RBKs, then we will be able to channelize the schemes also to the farmers. Apart from this, lot of other specific services also we are able to really extend, but indeed RBKs at the field level are able to really facilitate the farmers in all ways.
Generally farmers in India, they say that, well, we can farm any species you give us, we can bring technology, we can invest money, that's not a problem. But the most important problem for us is domestic marketing, because although farmers can produce, how do they sell their produce? Now this is where the interesting concept comes of Fish Andhra. Because, can you tell us more about this concept?
Honorable CM has given a kind of a challenge to us in that, and a kind of task to us to come out with a model by which we can really enhance the consumption domestically. That's how we came with a model, and we wanted to promote our fish. Fish could be broad based, it could be fish or prawn or kind of crab or whatever it is, all fish related, including the value added products. So we came with a model that is hub and spoke model we are calling, and we wanted to really sell all this produce in the name of Fish Andhra and Fit Andhra. And then when we conceived this idea, we come with this hub and spoke model, and we are contemplating to start almost 70 hubs in the state of Andhra Pradesh. For each hub, I think around 200 spokes are going to come, spokes of different variants. So total we are planning to come up with 70 hubs and 14,000 spokes across the length and breadth of the state of Andhra Pradesh. Now the point here is that why we are focusing so much, unless we bring this kind of network into position, we will not be able to. So for bringing the network, it's not enough if we really give some kind of subsidy to the beneficiaries or some kind of support to the beneficiaries. We need to really give a kind of a support in such a way that he will be able to sustain the business on an enduring basis. So this is where the government of AP is giving a lot of facilitation support for promoting their business. because most of the people are of the opinion that when we are doing this on such a focused manner, government is engaged in the business. We are not engaged in the business of doing business. We are engaged in the business of facilitating the business operators. That's point number. Second, we have to do this in a professional manner. So, for that we are talking about brand positioning, brand promotion, standards, uniformity across the length, like the way typically private corporates do. Similar way we are also facilitating the thing. A daunting task indeed, very challenging task indeed, but we have set a lot of things in place. Out of the 56, as of now 20 hubs areas, we have got some trial runs happening and some 300 odd spokes.